a really good feeling about the final, and I just want to, what I want more than anything, even if I don't win, is that I go in and the guys for the first time say, wow, you know, that's really, really good food. Because I haven't heard that yet. You know, I haven't heard 100%. You know, I've heard, oh yeah, elements are good and excellent or whatever, but to hand up dishes where they go, okay, that's the different level. That's what I need to hear today, and I'm confident that the dishes I'm doing today will be to that standard.
I'm making very much Irish-inspired dishes today. Love seafood, so for my starter I'm doing scallops and razor clams, which are an interesting Irish produce that I think are underutilised. Then for mains, again, sticking with the Irish fare, I'm going with an assiette of Irish lamb. And then for dessert, I will be doing a fantastic fruity zesty dish, which isn't Irish, but I think it represents me in my travels and trying something new.
Now tell us, have you changed much since the start of the competition?
I've changed a lot.
Have you?
Absolutely. I suppose it's kind of one of those competitions that's broken me down and got me back up again. But now I feel I belong here. So there's 6 weeks of phenomenal, intense experience, plus a lifetime of me that's going to go on these plates.
Okay. Well, we look forward to tasting that.
Great. Good.
Your menu sounds great. So
I love my menu. Yeah. Absolutely love it. Yeah.
Well, good luck.
Thank you, guys. Thanks very much.
Okay, you got 30 minutes left.
Regina, she's certainly very determined.
Very determined, you know, you can see that, and it's great to see, you know, she really does love cooking.
I didn't think she was trying to keep it as Irish as she is, but it really is, you know, a very native dish.
I never had thought that we would see this level of cooking. I think it's refreshing, I think it's exciting to see that.
What we have today is 3 amateur cooks cooking their hearts out in the kitchen with all Irish produce. You know, I just think it's great to see as a chef. I think it's great to see.
It's encouraging, isn't it?
It shows that Ireland, in some foodie way, is getting a sense of itself. That's got to be a good thing. It kind of makes you kind of proud.
Today it was the most comfortable I've felt cooking in this competition yet, weirdly. I'm organised and I've learned to look ahead and think ahead, and it worked today.
Are you going to get it done in time, Mike?
I'm pushing myself as hard as I can. I've got the biggest tasks done over the last 2 hours. It's just getting all the components together and I get my trays set up. So hopefully when the service comes, boom, boom, boom.
What do you think? Is that a yes?
Is it a yes?
Sounds like a yes.
Let's get this
Sounds like a yes.
Yeah,
sounds like Mike.
Okay, guys, 10 minutes left.
So no pressure at all, really, let's face it.
Good one. All I want to do is go in and cook the food as I have practiced it. As long as I've plated the food as I had imagined it, I'll feel like I've won. That's the most important thing to me.
How are you coping?
Good, getting on. And just trying to stay focused. And
are you going to get it done in time?
Yes, chef.
You sure?
Yeah.
I'm actually not concerned about Mike and Mary. I have to make sure that I keep my nerve, I keep things under control, and if I perform well, then I don't need to worry about the competition.
Are you getting on okay?
Good, yeah, not a bother. Just doing my clams now.
Are you going to finish in time?
Yes, no problem. You'll get your dinner tonight.
With just 5 minutes left, the final 3 MasterChef contestants must cook for their lives.
Guys, you are out of time. Will you please stop cooking?
It was really, really tough. I had so much left to do in the last hour. I had to put my lamb on while my starter was going on, and I just couldn't monitor it well enough. And it was just undercooked. I was really Like, it's just the main element of the dish, and I didn't want to walk away from today with what ifs, and unfortunately I have one big what if, which is a real, it's very upsetting, really.
I don't know if what I put up today is good enough to win. I'm waiting to hear what the judges thought of it. So I think that'll tell me. But you know what? I'm happy with it. The 3 dishes I put out today were probably the 3 best looking dishes I've ever cooked in my life.
That went fine. I think it was just the pressure of the day. Just little things went wrong. I'm just a little bit disappointed myself.
First to present her 3-course dinner to Dylan and Nick is Bridgine.
Okay, gentlemen, here are your starters.
Thank you so much.
Okay, I hope you enjoy it.
Thank you.
Okay, thanks.
Bridgine's Summer by the Sea starter is dressed razor clams with deep-fried salt cod, crab fritter and a pan-seared scallop topped with dullis, accompanied by a garlic aioli.
It's really good,
It's
isn't
good,
it?
isn't it?
Yeah, no, it's
I'm really enjoying it. The difference in what she's done today is amazing.
It's a big step up for her.
The cakes are amazing, aren't they? Really lovely and tasty.
I really like that.
It's great, isn't it?
Yeah. Crab's nice and crunchy, loads of dullis on top of the scallop, and it's just like as if she's used the dullis just like a little bit of salt.
Yeah, just
Bits of clam's not overcooked, it's nice and creamy.
I love it. It's just the right balance, isn't it? It's exciting, isn't it?
It is by far the best thing that she's cooked yet.
I mean, who would have thought 6 weeks ago she'd be presenting you with this dish in the final?
It's very good.
It's a winner, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's gorgeous.
After a successful starter, can Bridgine impress with her assiette of Irish lamb, pan-seared rack in a herb crumb, served with summer vegetables, a garlic puree, some lamb jus, caramelised sweetbreads and a side of Irish lamb stew?
I love the lamb. I think it's cooked really nice.
What do you think of your stew?
Yeah, it's very thin. I was expecting something more saucy and a bit more reduced.
Got nice flavour though, isn't it?
She's kind of relying on classical marriages. This has been done before. This is not her invention. But it is something that is done very well.
Seat bread. Could have been a bit more caramelised, but I think it tastes very nice. It goes with it.
Yeah, and the puree tastes great. The garlic puree.
Nice crunch.
Presentation is nice.
I think she's done very well. I can't believe how light it is, actually. It's not heavy at all. It's really nice on the palate.
It's very accomplished, isn't it? It's a very high standard for her. She's never produced anything like this.
I'm very happy with that dish.
With one final dish to present, is Bridgine confident in her last course?
I was really happy with the dessert. It is a gorgeous dish. It tastes amazing. I love it. So we'll wait and see what the guys think.
For her final dish on MasterChef, Bridgine has made a blackcurrant and elderflower sorbet, orange shortbread biscuits topped with sumac dust, and a passion fruit panna cotta.
Looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah, no, it does.
I think that's very good. Lovely flavoured passion fruit. Sorbet is fantastic.
The panna cotta is really nice.
I think that's a lovely dessert.
I think the elderflower could be a little stronger. And the orange should come through on the shortbread just a little bit more. I mean, she's cooked brilliantly. She really has. Just, I'm not sure why bringing elderflower and passion fruit together. Well, it's got to belong. It's got to do, you know, something for each other. But I do think this is really good.
I think it's excellent. It's very light. It's actually refreshing. Actually, out of the three, this is my favourite.
I needed to to pull out every trick and get it right 100% today if I was going to stand a chance. We'll wait and see. It depends. It does depend on what the other two guys do. I don't know. There's always a chance. There's always a chance.